Jinan Upright New Material Company Limited, located in Jinan City, Shandong Province. Jinan City is the center of all walks of heavy industries. Upright enjoys the superiority since it was built up. All the natural advantages and innate efforts tenders Upright grows faster and stronger than the other competitors. Upright aims to serve the world's customer with high efficiency and proficiency. Upright is just like her name saying, always going up, doing right and being upright, which demands her team members to do everything correctly and upward. They think the correct thing is always ensuring their products and services stable and reliable. They should always work harder and smarter than others to keep up with the rapid pace of the change, always forwarding and climbing the higher stage. Each individual and the team should always be upright person, always equipped with strong responsibility and self-discipline to their work and life. Being faithful to their customers and themselves. That's the basic line of Upright team. Upright focusing on PVC sheets and films, such as pharmaceutical PVC film, urinal bag PVC sheets, food-grade PVC film, garment template PVC sheets, furniture and flooring PVC film, rigid clear PVC sheets, soft clear PVC sheets, and PVC card materials. All these products had gained very much high praise from the global customers.